Brevo email marketing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description below. Brevo, formerly known as Sendingblue, is an all-in-one email marketing platform designed to help businesses create, automate, and optimize email campaigns. It's suitable for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a powerful yet cost-effective solution to manage their email marketing needs. One of Brevo's key features is its drag-and-drop email editor, which makes it easy to design professional-looking emails without requiring any coding skills. Brevo also excels in automation workflows, allowing businesses to create automated email sequences triggered by customer actions like sign-ups, purchases, or abandoned carts. This is ideal for e-commerce businesses looking to increase conversions with minimal effort. The platform's advanced segmentation tools help you target specific groups within your audience based on attributes like location, engagement history, or purchase behavior, making your campaigns more personalized and relevant. Brevo also stands out with its SMS marketing capabilities, which allows businesses to send text messages alongside their email campaigns, further enhancing customer engagement. Another notable feature is A/B testing, which lets you experiment with different email subject lines, designs, and content to find the most effective combination for your audience. On the strength side, Brevo is praised for its affordable pricing, especially for businesses with smaller budgets. It offers a free tier with essential features and up to 300 emails per day, which is a great option for startups and small businesses. The platform also integrates well with other tools like Shopify, WordPress, and CRMs, which increases its flexibility. However, Brevo does have some weaknesses. While it's feature-rich, its reporting and analytics can feel a bit basic compared to other tools, and the user interface can be overwhelming for beginners at first. Additionally, some users may find that advanced features like marketing automation are limited on lower-tier plans. Overall, Brevo offers a great balance of affordability, functionality, and scalability for businesses looking to improve their email marketing. Check the links in the description for more details on how Brevo can enhance your business's marketing strategy.